So I wanted to just show everybody how you navigate to a project. So the first thing you have to do is to uh, ask the person that's hosting the project. So over here we've got this list of all these projects. And so we've moved all of the components into a separate project where it'll get tooled up, like a mold will get made. And these are just a number of projects that are within um, our ecosystem. And usually it's a team hub. So up here in the left-hand corner, it says a new energy, and then it's got my single user name, single user storage. And if you get invited in, you'll get invited into this team hub here. And anyhow, so this is where you have to go to switch to the hub. And then if you're invited in, you'll see all of the project stuff line up here, all the different projects that you get invited into. So that's kind of navigating. It's working on it right now. Navigating the project folders in the cloud. So we're working in the cloud, and let's see what's going on here. And so these are just different projects that I'm involved in, and that if you get invited in, like here's the tooling automation standard. So we automatically invite anybody that's working on molds in here to go into this project, and it's got all these folders of different components that can be used in the molds. And then if you hit the home button here, it'll take you back out. And so this is how we navigate. And so you need to ask somebody to invite you into the project, and then it'll show up when you switch to the hub. So this is a team hub right here that you'll get invited into. Okay, that's navigating Fusion. Thanks.